Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yuan Shen. I'm the founder and CEO of OneClick AI. We are based in Seattle. OneClick AI empowers the supply chain enterprise users with automated AI platform. Today, we're going to talk about forecasting. Forecasting supply chain has been a well-studied problem for past several decades. Today, we're going to look at nowadays its top two challenges and see how OneClick AI aims to solve those two challenges. The challenge number one is the new territory of big data. Let's use logistic operation as an example. Nowadays, the air freight network has been planned, use the historical data sets, and also years of experience of professionals working in the field. At the same time, we're living in the era of big data sets. We have more data to consume than before, like temporal factors, operational factors, economic factors, matter information about shipment, even the social medias. The other examples we can look at is in the CPG and retail. If you look at these tables, if we just look at the sales numbers of different products, it's very hard to give you a whole picture about how different products they interact with each other. Because the product with a similar description, they might competing with each other. On the other hand, even if two products are in the same category, but they have different packaging size and different visual appearance, they might promote each other's. So how in these situations we can really uncover those finer correlations and converting those insights into better financial gains or your business competitiveness is very crucial to solve the first challenge. The second challenge, when it comes to forecasting, it's all about accuracy. A rough rule of generals is if you can achieve 1% forecasting accuracy gain, it is almost equivalent to 2.5% inventory reductions, which is huge. So the issue with existing methods, those existing models are not able to really produce the result as we expected because they are usually linear models. They use a lot of human works to tune those models to really define seasonality, trends. It's very hard to incorporate external data sources like weather, event informations, social medias. Given all those two challenges, nowadays all those enterprises, they understand the importance to shift rapidly from their traditional spreadsheet approach to more AI-driven analytics. However, working on AI solutions with data scientist team remains to be a very complex, slow process. It could literally take several months to test a single AI ideas to going through the process as data acquisition, cleaning, extracting information, building model, etc. OneClick AI is the first AI platform that is able to automate the entire AI development cycle, cutting the turnaround time from several months to several days. And really putting the power of the AI to the hands of domain experts, the business users. So we really focus to solving the problems in supply chains like demand forecasting, capacity planning, inventory replenishment, and dynamic pricing. We're able to use the cutting-edge deep learning technologies to build customized models specific for your data sets, able to achieve 10 to 20% accuracy gains. To use the tool is actually very simple. Simply upload your business data sets to the platform, define the business goals, and let the system do the rest. The tool can be used as a replacement to the existing spreadsheet approach, or can be used add-on to an existing ERP system. So look at some of the use cases. In the past, we have been helping one of the global beverage manufacturers to improve their new product forecasting by 13%, which is huge because for those new products, they don't have any sales data sets. You really have to leverage a lot of meta information on the product. We help one of the global network manufacturers to reduce their inventories by 3%. At the same time, maintain the service level because all those devices are very expensive. They have to really achieve 8 hours, 24 hours service level. So it's actually very important for them to keep reducing the inventories. And we're also helping $1 billion shoe companies to achieve revenue almost 1% gain using the real-time dynamic pricing. We figure out what the demand looks like in the real time, how can we adjust the pricing on a daily basis and make sure it's going to be a zero inventory by the end of second month. OneClick AI, use AI to build AI, make AI accessible to everyone. Thank you.
Okay, excellent. Questions for OneClick?